So, how do I arrive or decide on the venue? Well, the place where I run my training programs, the venues, are an important part of my training because it takes me back to my, of course, my days when I began my journey. Being in my last role, of course, I did some amount of training in my work, and most of them were conventional trainings which were done inside training rooms, which had PowerPoint presentations, and so most conventional trainers training setups, I would say. And when I wanted to learn about self, I wanted to make sense of my life. My journey began in a place which was open, which was green, and a lot of natural background setting. I should say there was a sea by the side, and I learned immensely. So I would say there was something about the venue which made a difference to the learning which I had in the classroom as well. So currently, wherever I run my training, whether it's in Chennai, like this is a beautiful venue which I have here. This is where I run my workshops. Um, or in Bangalore, or in Charai Beach, which is another location. So that the venue plays a very important role with the thinking that it gives you the space to reflect in terms of, I would say, making sense of the so-called confusions that you have, or in simple, a little provocative word, with making sense of the nonsense that you carry along with you. And I believe that the venue, which can have a calming effect, can have a soothing effect in the way. So yeah, venue definitely plays a very important role in all my training.